Anvil jaw number 2 stop. We're at Greers Ferry, fishing a place I've never fished before. So we're gonna see if this pays off, but jump on along. They're not even done with blast off yet. It's a good sign. Maybe I can get 5 about that size real quick. Then we go boom. For 2. They're still blasting. Oh, we're not going to put cold tags on yet. Two. This is crazy. That is not a keeper. But I like having a hit. There it is. Well, these 12, that's a crappie. I caught one yesterday on a dang crawdad color crankbait, and I caught one today on a crawdad color crankbait. Not supposed to catch crappie on a crawdad color crankbait. Maybe 12. They're gonna be close. Fat. I don't think you're gonna make it. I think you're gonna be about 11 and a half. Oh, dang. I'll be danged. You want to talk about a 12-incher? Let me tell y'all about a 12-incher. 12 and 1/32. But you know what? He's number 3. Another 12-incher. Number 4. I know he's 12. If that other one's 12, there ain't no doubt in my mind he's 12. speaking of the devil. Well, that ain't fighting like a fish. That's a fish, not a fish your toe. Oh, it is a fish. Oh, it's a good fish. No, he's not. He's a baby. He might be 12 though. Holy crap, if he's 12, my goodness. I mean, what's the smallest 12-inch fish you've ever weighed in? Is it like 12? Like 12 ounces? Oh, let's see here. I think he's gonna stretch. Quit flopping around there. Let's see here. Number 5.
There you go.
12 and 1/16, baby. And I caught that fish while like both 9 and 10 were passing me. Oh well. Hold on one second. I got a pretty good fish. Hold on. Yeah, I got a cold real quick. Hold on. There we go. That's gonna get rid of that little Kentucky. Sweet. I got a 13-inch black. Look at there. Okay, I don't have the smallest stringer no more. All right, let me let you go. Gotta do some coaling. I mean, yellow's good. So, as it sits currently, a 12 and a 1/99 inch Kentucky beats that black right there.
I was like, man, he looks familiar. Yeah, you fishing the Arkansas, was it the classic? No, I watched some of your videos when you fished.
On this thing. I know it's big. There it is. Very first cast. You have got to be kidding me. That's a good fish too. Oh gosh, that was gonna be a cool. That would have been a cool. Okay. First cast with an Arkansas. Oh, good fish. Yes, sir. All right. Shoo. Arky stick. Just got done saying I just need to get it in front of the fish and they'll eat it. That's how you get it in front of the fish. Probably gonna go back down this bank again. That's 2 really good hits on this bank. So that's my Kentucky that was 12 and 1/1000th of an inch long. Yeah. mean, we'll put him out on the scale just to see. I do have another Kentucky in there that's just about the same size, but I don't know if he's 12 or not. I'll be dang, I made a call. Ain't much of a call, but it's a call. Smallmouth, look at there. I thought a smallie. And they might call that one I just caught, because he's 12. I said earlier I need to catch a smallmouth. That's a 13-incher. He may call. He's skinny though. Oh no, man. It's a nice looking Kentucky. Smallmouth for a little bit. That's a pound 2, pound 3 smallmouth. So. Spotted. Little black mark on his head there. Alright. That one might be the call. That's heavy. That's a little bit heavier than Felt heavier than that. It's 12 inches. Not big enough. That one felt heavy. That fish is warm. Right here for a weigh in. Been a 12 incher on a decent one.
Horrible. I got 5 minutes.
Alright, number 1, Mr. Baby.
You only got 2? You said you got 5.
Number 2.
Jared, look at this fancy thing.
There you go. That's a weird looking.
Right? It's got a.
Jaden, you see what Mr. John caught?
It's got like the texture of a golf ball.
3, 5 fish.
He can get a fish. You put him in your pocket.
Thank you. No!
Jaden, give one a good kiss.
No.
Fish.
I'll punch one.
No.
80600.
There you'll have it. Just finished up the Anvil Jaw second event of the year on Greers Ferry Lake, and again I weighed in 806. I know y'all just saw that in the outro. I think I'm gonna end up either in 11th or 12th. I was one spot out of the money, so that kind of stinks, but I mean, it is what it is. That's fishing. I really feel like this particular tournament is my turning point of the year, and I want to say that on record because part of fishing tournaments is being able to get into a rhythm and catching fish, doing what needs to be done, but doing it constantly. And up until this particular tournament, I just could never find a rhythm. I really couldn't. And considering that I fished hard, I culled several times, I only missed one fish, and that one fish did kill me, but I only missed one fish. I really think this is the turning point of my year. So I want to thank y'all for tuning in. I will tell y'all, get ready. There's going to be a plethora of Greers Ferry videos coming out. We've got, of course, the practice video that was released before this one. This video, a charity video, a practice for BFL, Mr. Bass of Arkansas, a practice for TBF, and then back-to-back TBF events, all on Greers. So if you like Greers Ferry, hang tight. You're going to get a bunch of it. And then after that last Greers, we get to go to Millwood, we get to go to Dumas, we get to go to Tar Camp, we get to go to Dardanelle a time or two. So we get to explore a little bit after this last rundown. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Again, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on notifications so you will be informed when we release a video. Again, there's going to be a whole bunch of them coming down the pipe here real soon. So I appreciate you all, and like always, y'all keep chugging.